Hi everyone, welcome back to another review installation video. This video is gonna be about this battery monitor system. Is the version 2. Uh, we're gonna be reviewing, installing. We're gonna be doing the installation of the application on this iPhone through the QR using this power bank. I made this power one couple years ago, and link is gonna be around here somewhere so you can see it. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna be opening. You can use this monitor system with the iPhone or Android system. Either way, you can use it. So let's open it and start doing the installation. I know this is not the best way to open it, but this is the fastest way. I'm gonna be using this razor blade, and there you go. We open it, and this is the little machine right here. As you can see right here, state that you can go on the Google Play or App Store to get the application using this QR barcode. So this is the system. Let's open it. It's like one feet long. All right. I'm gonna check my battery box. This is a 12-volt input. This is a 12-volt battery. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna download the application, go to the iPhone, and get the QR reader. We read the QR, and here you go. This is the application. What we're gonna do right now is download this application so we can work on that. There you go. Downloading right now. Let's wait a little bit. In the meantime, a little bit about this battery system. The specification about this is a receive notification of battery condition when enter in Bluetooth range. Check the vehicle cranking system automatically while engine is starting, and check charging system, the alternator. List the time of each driving. You can do that too. Give you alert, mobile alert from by the phone, and if some data is abnormal, it's not working properly. It's built-in short circuit and reverse connection protection. Also, data storage in the battery monitor up to 31 days if out of sync. Automatic synchronization when enter Bluetooth range, compatible with all 12-volt vehicle batteries. You can review the historical data graphically, and also engine starting detect automatically. You can get a free application for both iOS and Android. The current working is 1 milliampere. The input voltage is 6 to 20 volt. That's good. And also, like we say, has a short circuit protection. All right, let's do the connection right now. I'm gonna be using this alligator clip only for the installation, for the purpose testing it. And I'll do there you go. It's connected right now, so let's turn it on. Perfect. Here we go. The power bank is on. So now let's double check everything is connected properly. Now we open the application. As you can see, it's connected automatically and start reading the voltage. 1205 is the same voltage is here on the meter right here. And then also we can start doing some testing. This is when your car is starting. If you're connected to your car, it tells you everything about the battery, the meter, the cranking system, and testing the alternator. But let's test it right now. Let's see what happened. Here you go. You got the menu system right here. You can set up everything. It tells you how to connect the monitor system to the battery. and it's really simple to use. It tells you everything. You just follow the step right here and you got it. It's really simple. I really like it because nothing complicated, and it tells you the voltage right here. Also, when we disconnect, automatically the Bluetooth system disconnect, and let's try again, connect again right there, and you can see automatically connect all the application to, the Bluetooth to the little box and start reading everything, battery inside of this battery. Perfect. I will be doing the real testing when I go camping this coming summer. I got this little system specifically for this box. I want to be able to check my battery when I am charging it. I'm gonna be using solar system to charge this the battery bank, and this is a good way for me to check it. Alright people, if you have any question, please post it down on the comment section, and I will be doing my best to answer any questions you guys have. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.